Assalamualaikum students, welcome to Phonics Academia online class tier 6 unit number 1 introduction of a set exercise 1c. So all the students open your book page number 9 and also open your notebook. Student, in which we teach how you make your Venn diagram. So question number 1, draw a Venn diagram of the following set. So be remember that Venn diagram is made of an intersection of a sets. It's mean that commons of a set. A Venn diagram is made of the intersection of a set. In a question number 1, they say that name of 5 boys starting from A and the name of 5 girls starting from S. Name of 5 boys is A stand for 5 boys A Ahmad Arham Ayan Asad, Ali Ahmad Arham Ayan Asad, and S is equal to Sara Sidra Sana Sania Saba. A is the 5 name of boys starting from A and S is the 5 name of girls that are starting from S. So we remember that Venn diagram is made of an intersection. So find common. It means that A intersection S. So student, you see that no element is to be a common on the both sides. No common elements on the both sides. So A intersection S is equal to empty bracket because there is no any common element. So when you make a Venn diagram, it means that you make a intersection, make a common things in a that's a circles to be a common to each other. So when you draw a circle of a two circle in a rectangular base, you have a common base you and nothing to be a written because that no any elements to be a common. One side to write the boy's name and one side to write a girl's name. If any element is to be a common, you write as this common place in which circle 1 and circle 2 is to be make a common place. So if one side is write a boy's name Ahmad Ali Arham Ayan Asad and next circle you have Bijan Sana Saba Sidra Sania Sana. So student, you know that no any common elements, so this is to be a intersection, place is to be a empty. So this is a common place called a Venn diagram. So let us question number 3. Name that eat plant and animal that eat meat. So plant eat animal is cow, goat, bear, and meat and eat animal is lion, bear, moose. Bear is the only animal that they eat plant and animal. They eat both things. So students is to be a find the common. When you have P intersection M, because that if you have find any common of a two set, you take an intersection of those sets. So this set P intersection M. The common element is a bear on the both sides. So when you make your Venn diagram, rectangular base, make a two circle as be joined to each other, in which a common place you write a bear because that the bear is a common element into a both sides, and other uncommon elements you write one side. Plant have a cow and goat, and meat have a lion and moose. Common element is a bear that eat meat and plant both things. So the common element is to be written into a common place. That's we are called a Venn diagram. So student, complete your homework, do your class, revise your lesson. Allah Hafiz.